Hello my loves and welcome back to another new video with me. My name is Monique for those of you who are new here, and to my regular subscribers in the house. Hello once again and welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. So you guys already know the drill. Before we get started, go ahead and click that red subscriber button down below so you can keep up with all the content that I have on the way. More fashion, more lifestyle, more luxury. Let's get into the luxury. So yes, it's another luxury unboxing and review video, and I'm very, very excited to be sharing this with you guys. I have done some shopping at Bottega. It had to be done. Like it just had to be done. If you guys follow me on Instagram, which you should totally be doing, by the way, shameless plug, you can do so at msmny. I post a lot of fashion and lifestyle content and all the rest of that jazz over there, so you can definitely find something that you can hopefully be inspired by. But if you follow me on Instagram, then you already know how much I love Bottega right now, or at least for the past couple of years. Like, Bottega Veneta is killing it in the fashion game right now. Me personally, I feel like I love their entire shoe collection. It's been absolutely booming since 2019, all throughout 2020, even during a lockdown, and is still booming this year. So Bottega Veneta is very much ruling the fashion industry right now. What I'm about to show you, I originally wanted the black pair, but I decided to go into store and actually view the collection for myself, which when it comes to luxury, I absolutely love doing. I feel like it's so much better to, if you haven't seen the collection in person, go to the store, see the collection, try things on, see how it works with your outfits, see if you really, really like the item before spending and splurging on bits and bobs. So I went into the store and decided to try on the black pair. And then, of course, I ended up trying on other bits from the collection, and I just fell in love with every single pair. But I had to make a decision, and I had to make a smart one, and we finally have that smart decision in hand today, which I'm very excited to show you. So let's get on with it. Okay, are we ready? I really hope that you guys can see this properly. Should be able to from here. So I shopped the collection via Net-a-Porter. I absolutely love Net-a-Porter. There is something about their packaging and their service that is just so instant and premium and always makes me feel like it's Christmas. So I love shopping on there, although they always seem to sell out of everything. So of course there are other places to shop, but this is usually my go-to. So good old Net-a-Porter. This is just the little document that you get that has like your receipts and important bits on there. The boring part. This is just a little gift message. We won't go into that. Yes, I write gift messages for myself. Yes, I do. And then we have, first little bit there, got ready to wear on it. Okay, okay. Here she is in all her glory. Oh. Look. What an absolute beautiful package. Stunning. Let's get into it. By the way, just so you guys know, I mean, I always get my packages, when it comes to Net-a-Porter, I always get my packages gift wrapped. It is a free service and it just makes the whole like unboxing feel extra special. So just in case you didn't know, it actually feels like Christmas. Ready? Okay, so first things first, we have, of course, the dust bags. Now, as always, when it comes to luxury, when you buy a pair of shoes, you usually always, I think it's at least, most places anyway, luxury companies, they usually give you 2 dust bags, 1 per shoe, which is just That's how it should be anyway. But oh my Lord. What material is this? I really wish you guys could feel this. This feels so soft, so delicate, but such great quality. Wow. One thing I love about dust bags is you don't always have to use them for your shoes. They're great, like fantastic to travel with. So I'll definitely be using those as soon as we're allowed out on holiday properly. And then of course you can pack other bits and bobs in them, whatever you want really. But let's see. How beautiful. Oh my God. Oh guys, look. Absolutely stunning, like divine. So yes, I got the Bottega Veneta stretch sandal in the nude beige leather with raffia. This is the raffia just here on sort of like the bottom sole. I couldn't help myself. It was a must for these. I just think that they're absolutely perfect, and I think they're the perfect summer shoe for every year, every summer really. Of course, I was originally going in there for the black, but I just felt like it's summer now, although it really does not feel like it because it is actually pissing it down outside with rain right now. But hopefully the sun will come through and I'll be able to wear these. But I just feel like these are such the perfect classic summer shoe to wear. Absolutely love all the details on this. I just felt like with the whole collection, these were quite different, and I absolutely was drawn to the raffia detail because you don't get that a lot throughout the whole collection. A lot of the collection is very bright, very colourful. These are still bright, but they are neutral, and I felt like I would definitely be getting a great cost per wear with these because I have so many neutral outfits, and I just feel like these would definitely go with absolutely everything from dresses. I mean, even the dress that I have on from now. But yeah, I just feel like these would go with pretty much every outfit. Dresses, jeans, shorts, like everything. I'm actually going out for dinner tomorrow, and I think I'm gonna wear a black ruche dress and these. Yeah, I'm very excited. I'm very excited. I can't wait to style these up. But as for the details, I just think that they're absolutely beautiful. Just gorgeous. The color, the raffia, the really, really skinny, thin straps that go right around your foot. They're just so elegant, and they look absolutely beautiful on. They just make your feet look so dainty. Just, oh, gorgeous pair of shoes. I am thrilled right now, very, very thrilled to own a pair. I feel like the raffia on these shoes definitely makes it feel like not only a statement shoe, but something a little bit more casual that you can dress down and dress up at the same time. And I feel like it also makes it feel a little bit beachy. So that's why I went for it as well, because I felt like this was the perfect shoe that you can wear on a casual day out, you know, jeans and a t-shirt with an amazing pair of shoes. You can't go wrong. Or of course, this is something that you can definitely wear to the beach, trot around in, you know, when you have sort of like your bikini on and then you have a bikini dress over it. And these with a nice little bag, perfect, just perfect. Another detail that I absolutely love about this shoe is the bottom. Look at that. Look at the padding on that. Amazing. And with this padding, I just think it's such an innovative design. The padding itself is designed in such an artistic way on the shoe, and I feel like this is going to give you absolute ultimate comfort, which is exactly what you want. You're wearing a pair of heels, you want to be extremely comfortable all the way throughout. You don't want any pain. It just creates an incredibly long day. We don't do that. So yeah, just love it. And I absolutely love the heel height. It's not too high, it's not too short, and you still get a really nice, beautiful arch. Stunning. Just a really, really fantastic design. I mean, the padding itself, I feel like it's pretty much on the same level as the Louboutin red soles. I mean, the red soles are obviously instantly recognizable, but I feel like this is also very much recognizable and just such a great design. Just perfect. Daniel Lee definitely knows what he's doing at Bottega. So this is not only designed for just looking pretty, just being a pair of luxury shoes, but very well thought of in terms of comfort in the shoe. And you get that with this fantastic padding that offers so much grip. So just a bit more on the detail. Of course, we have the square toe, and it's not everyone's favorite. Personally, I don't get it, but hey, each to their own. I personally absolutely love a square toe, and when it comes to square toe, it's just such a 90s thing. It's very much a 90s fashion detail. It was very much a key staple in the 90s, and I am a 90s baby, and so therefore I am very much here for it. I love it, but I get it. It's not for everybody, and not everybody loves a 90s square toe, and that's perfectly fine. I feel like the whole square toe era, it's very much a Marmite thing. Either you absolutely love it or you just can't stand it and hate it. But I absolutely love a 90s toe. I just feel like it makes your feet look so much more flattering in a shoe. But that's just me. There's something about the way that the square toe is designed and the way that it fits around your foot that just makes it look so much more flattering and so dainty, and it just makes your whole foot as a whole just look very slender in the shoe itself. I mean, you find that with people who have narrow feet, wide feet, or regular size feet, it doesn't matter. I always feel like whenever there's a 90s square toe going on, your foot is definitely going to look really sleek, very slender in the shoe, and I'm about that. So yes, cheers to Bottega, and cheers to many, many more to come. Absolutely love and in love with this pair and this style. Just gorgeous. I can't wait to put these on and style them up in so many different ways. So yes, if you follow me on Instagram, you know you'll definitely be seeing these styled very soon. Just looking in the box again, so they also give you this little set, which is just, I think, to do with the materials. So this basically just tells you about the characteristics of the pair of shoes that you've bought, the materials, how to treat it, etc, etc. And very handy, of course, we have an extra pair in case something happens to your current pair. That's always great to have. This is just, of course, just the one out of the wider collection. There is the black version of this, which is patent, I believe. Sort of like a patent leather. You don't get the raffia with that one, but I am interested in that because, again, it's such a beautiful shoe and black goes with everything. You also have the green mesh. I don't know if you guys have seen that. Of course, I'll be inserting pictures somewhere. Those are absolutely stunning, as well as the yellow mesh, just beautiful. So those are another two pairs that I have my eyes on. And have you seen the Raffia mule? Divine. I tried those on in store. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. If this doesn't interest you, that Raffia mule will. I wasn't interested in it at first, but I put my foot into it in store and I just melted. They are, I feel, the best and most perfect shoe to wear with a pair of jeans. So definitely have a further look into those. So that is pretty much everything for today's video. A very quick sort of unboxing reveal. I really hope you guys enjoyed unboxing these with me. If you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up, and of course feel free to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys again in the next one. Bye.